Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Engineer Singh. Today's tutorial I will show you how you can convert the unit of a pressure in your scientific calculator. I am using calculator FX991EX. Follow the simple steps. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. So the first step you need to do is you need to activate the conversion function. You can do it by pressing shift and then number 8, above which it is written as CUNV. That's the conversion function. After that you need to select the pressure and then you can input the value and like atmosphere pressure to, to pascals, and it will show the value. Yeah, that's it. Now let me show you another example. 1 PA is equal to 0.9.8 divided by minus 6. That's how you can convert any pressure units. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, hit the like button. For any questions and query, you can comment down below. Do subscribe, and yeah, don't forget to turn on the notification. Thanks again for watching. Hope you like the video.